This is Gabriel, the Forex Helper. Welcome to part 3 of this specific video series. If you didn't hear part 1 and 2, I encourage you to go back and listen to those two so that you can know what I'm talking about right now, because I'm just pretty much piggybacking off of the last two videos. So I think we're leaning more towards that whole global financial catastrophe than before. I know we had something happen in 2008, and I know we had something happen before that. The dot-com bubble, but even before that, the Great Depression in the 30s. But we're talking about, well, again, let me just kind of bring home the point just from a factual standpoint, okay? From the CMV, from the current market value. What is current market value? I talk about that in my ebook, Easy Forex Trading. That's how the market values or devalues a certain asset. And right now, the value that the market is giving on the majority of the assets out there doesn't look too pretty. And so based on that, that's how I'm making my opinion here. This is where I'm getting the idea that we could be on the brink of another serious global financial catastrophe. Okay? But I also entertain the possibility that we might not, and we could quickly recover if something's done about it. Whatever that something is, I don't know. All right, whatever the governments decide to try to do. And I know other governments have tried to, I gave some examples before about how they tried to pump money into the oil, to trying to get the oil up, and I didn't do anything. But there's been some other news reports. I'll start reading those news reports too, by the way. There's a lot of things that I'm so behind on when it comes to this WIN network. I know some of you guys are like shaking your head and like, yeah, I know. We've been waiting on you on a couple of things. Okay, but you'll get it, and I'll get there. Okay, so, but let's look at another account. Okay. Oh, this is the account we just got through looking at from the second video. Okay, so let's look at another account here. Let's see, another member here. This is a real account. Okay, see where they have been for this month. So they deposited $361. They profited $985, and so they're currently at $1347. Okay, so that's pretty cool. You see, they deposited $361, and now they're like at $1,000. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Everybody's story is different, when it comes to the amount of profits. And I get that question a lot. If I deposit this much, how much can I make? Tell me. I was like, I don't know. It just depends. Well, I don't, I don't. It really depends. I mean, I don't know. It's just like I make these videos so that, you can see the different variety of here's someone. See, they deposited. Let's see where they started off. Look, it's a real account. Okay. And they started off with $393. They're also at $1635. In fact, this person sent me a message, and let me actually go ahead and read this message to y'all. All right, it was a WhatsApp message. Okay, It was a WhatsApp message. Let's see if I can find this person. Okay. I gotta. Okay, let's see. All right, I think this is. Yes, this is the person. They sent me. Yeah. I'm gonna read this message, okay? My mouth dropped to the floor when I saw how much y'all made this week in my account. This program is the best kept secret. I'm gonna tell y'all something. That's interesting that this person mentioned that it's a secret. I'm not out there like that on the internet because, like I said before, the Forex is not really. I don't want to say it's not my thing. This is like, I just read the ebook. I explain it in an ebook, but it is what it is. I'm here at this time in my life, and we're intersecting right now. Whoever you are watching this video, it's just what's happening right now. I don't know the whys behind it. Okay, I've asked many times before, but whatever it is, okay, it is for you. If it's not for you, then it's not for you, and that's just how I keep it going. All right. But that's interesting though, that this person sees it that way. This program is the best kept secret. I just stumbled onto this and so glad I did. That's interesting too. I think that's on purpose, by the way, for a purpose, for her purpose. $300, and now she's at what? I don't even remember, 1,600 or something like that. I gotta tell everyone. I wonder how many will believe. I know the feeling. I know the feeling about that. I got people who don't even believe me in my own personal life. I don't say anything. I just kind of, I got a lot of people who don't believe me. Okay? I got members who don't believe me. Past, present members. There's a lot of things, but hey, I got to do what I got to do and make sure I do the right things, okay? All right? That's where I'm at. I got to make sure that I do the right thing. Quick question, okay? Assuming no funds are needed, do you recommend that I let my account grow for at least 90 days before? No. You could withdraw your money anytime. In fact, I recommend if you're making that money, withdraw it. If you want to withdraw 700, leave some in there. We're going to grow it for you. Take some out, store that away, do something with it. Whatever your plans are outside of the Forex, you should have something alongside this. This is like an investment vehicle. Oh my goodness, I got to watch the words I use too. So many things you can't say nowadays. Goodness gracious. This is like a tool to use to help your account grow, okay? Now, besides this tool, you should have some other plan where you're going to be able to have the monies that you pull out. Start pulling money out. It's okay. I see people withdraw. Pull it out, and have some other plan with that money that you pulled out. Okay? Don't put faith in this system. No, I don't. I know it's weird because I'm using it and stuff like that, but I'm not talking about my system, by the way. I mean the system out there, the financial system. Any day now. Any time. You don't know what in the world could. This thing is like. It's like it. Anyways, I was gonna say something, an analogy, but I'm not gonna say it because it might sound insensitive or it could be easily misunderstood, so I won't say it. But this financial system is not doing too well. Okay. All right. I have finally found a way to retire. Oh, praise the Lord. Wow. That's the first time I'm reading this, guys. Touching. Wow. All right. Now, I'm going to actually end on this note here. And I think 3 parts to this video series is enough. Yeah, I'll stop right here. So I've said a mouthful, okay, but I'm also speaking from the heart as well, okay. So if you have any questions, contact us. I know it's hard to get a hold of us sometimes because the amount of calls and things that come in on a daily. Now it's going to be even a little bit more tougher, but I don't want to discourage anybody to try to reach us, only because currently, kind of keeping everyone remote right now, okay. But still, things are running, at the Forex Helper, but just kind of remotely, the whole social distancing thing. So, and that's just the way it is, okay? Contact us either way. All right? Happy trading. Happy investing.